Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how black garlic is made, from fresh garlic to sweet, aged perfection. Time, precise heat, and controlled humidity work in harmony to naturally transform the garlic. Every batch is carefully aged to achieve its signature sweetness and texture.
The throughput on line 3 is exceeding projections.
I see that. Let's monitor the temperature regulation on the robotic arms.
Every product is inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how black garlic is made, singing, tur croissants, from start to finish.